Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive SSL certificate video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate in the Plesk environment. So let's get started. I'm currently already logged in to my website, which is in the Plesk environment. So if you know about Plesk, this interface should be very familiar to you. Now I'm going to install the SSL certificate on staging.penpubtutorials.com. If you get in here and you don't see those options, make sure you expand the Show More menu here, and you will find the Let's Encrypt link right there. So all you got to do is click on it. Now, what is Let's Encrypt? Let's Encrypt is a certifying authority that allows you to create free SSL TLS certificates for your domain. By having it here in the interface of Plesk, it makes it very convenient after you install because they automatically renew, so you don't have to do any manual installation or get different keys, etc. to get this going. So it's going to ask you for an email address. Make sure this is an email address that you check because you will get notified when it renews or if there's any issues with it. The other thing is going to give you the option to select what else can be secured. So if you want the www. Subdomain for the domain and each selected alias after that to be secure, just check that box. For my purposes, I don't really want to do that right now. So I'm just going to hit install. Once I do that, it's going to go out there and it's going to get it installed, and there it is. So the Let's Encrypt SSL TLS certificate has been installed. I want to verify this, so I'm going to click here. As you can see, now I get the little green lock icon that tells me that this site is encrypted. So that's how easy it is to do to get the Let's Encrypt, to install the Let's Encrypt certificate within Plesk in the Plesk environment. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. For more information, visit penpublishing.com. You can shoot us a note at sales@penpublishing.com. If you're on Facebook and Twitter, we'd appreciate a like and a follow. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time.